Stone Floor Cleaning Epsom by Fabritec Stone Care. Tired of battling with your stone floors to get them clean? We understand your frustration. You've scoured the internet, searched for every natural stone cleaning company in Epsom. You've tried every tile cleaning product on the market. But nothing seems to work. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces. Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. No more scrubbing for hours on end. With Fabritec Stone Care, you get professional results. And with our satisfaction guarantee, you can rest easy knowing that your investment is protected. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your stone floors clean, give Fabritec a call. We'll take care of everything from start to finish, leaving you with floors that shine like new. Call 0779860860 now to learn more about our services in Epsom.